Welcome to this video on arc fault circuit interrupters, or AFCIs, the guardians of circuits. The invisible threat within your walls is arcing, an intense burst of heat caused by damaged, loose, or overheated wiring. This can ignite insulation and wood framing without tripping a standard breaker. Meet the AFCI, an advanced safety device. Its primary function is to detect hazardous arcing and de-energize the circuit immediately, preventing a fire before it starts, thanks to its advanced safety circuit breaker and fire prevention technology. AFCIs are the brain behind the breaker. Unlike standard breakers that rely on thermal or magnetic forces, AFCIs utilize sophisticated electronics to constantly monitor the flow of electricity. The AFCI distinguishes friend from foe by analyzing electrical patterns. It identifies dangerous, unintentional arcs, which are fire hazards, while ignoring harmless, normal sparking from light switches or vacuum motors. AFCIs provide total coverage against both series and parallel arcs. Standard breakers often miss these faults, but AFCIs detect arcing across a break in a single wire and arcing between line to neutral or line to ground. AFCI and GFCI have distinct roles. GFCIs prevent electric shock and are essential in wet areas. AFCIs prevent electrical fires and are essential in living areas. These technologies can be combined. The AFCI acts as a vigilant fire warden. According to the Electrical Safety Foundation International, 50% of electrical fires can be prevented by using AFCI technology. The National Electrical Code mandates that AFCIs are standard for modern safety in most living areas of new homes. This includes bedrooms, kitchens, family rooms, and hallways. AFCI protection has flexible form factors. It can be installed either as circuit breakers in the electrical panel or as receptacle outlets at the point of use. AFCIs offer peace of mind and represent the evolution of electrical safety. By silently monitoring your home, they provide superior protection against fire hazards compared to standard breakers.